I am 6 years old. I love to play soccer and basketball. My favorite team is Barcelona, and I love guns, and I'm gonna show you some of them. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, I bring some of guns. They are 4. And I'm gonna show you all my guns. I'm gonna bring them. So the first one is the pirate gun. You load like this and you shoot. And the second one is this one. It's a bow and arrow gun. You load it like this and you shoot. See? I shoot. The second one is the stronger gun I have. It's Nerf, and you load it like this and you shoot. And if you want, you can press this button. See? You make your finger like this. Just pop like that. You can put some 6 bullets in here. No, wait. Like this. Like this. Like this. And the last one is the gun. It's this gun. You can put here some 2 bullets. And here one. And here one, and you load it. Wait, you load it like this. You open it, and here come the bullets, and here there's some smokes. But I closed the smokes. Okay, guys, I finished all my gun. Give the thumbs up. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Click this button out, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And subscribe. لا اطلع لا اطلع لا اطلع لا اطلع لا اطلع